Yeah, I got a brochure from them. Do I need to share it?
Can you upload it over here?
Yeah, I just send in the group.
Yeah.
So basically, only I'm the candidate, no one else.
I think so, yeah. You are the only one.
They said I have to wait for a week so that other at least two more candidates should enroll and they will take
Mhm.
group
Mhm.
classes.
Mm, no, late. I mean, they didn't inform anything like that to
Okay.
me. Uh,
Okay.
so, what they have mentioned here, so many things. Okay, DPSNP. Okay. Some few things they have mentioned and few extra things they have mentioned. Okay, let it be. Let me share my course content, which I generally used to cover. Okay, and just to inform you, I have been providing training for multiple institutes. Okay, you might have heard about Kodako Consulting or Henry Harvin
Yeah.
or Mind Magic, some BK. So for those institutes also, I have been providing training since last almost 2 3 years. Okay, after
Yeah.
this class, all after this class at 8:30, I have session for this Henry Harvin only. Okay, so see, this is the course
Mm.
content which I generally cover. Okay, here we
Mm.
will start from introduction to SCM. Let me open that course content as well for you. So here, if you see, this is of Kodak Consulting and Henry Harvin. This course content which I used to cover, everything they have mentioned over here. Okay, starting from module one, these many things we will cover. Okay, so what it contains here in this word document I have, I will share this with you. Okay, this is what we are going to cover. Okay, so we'll
Okay.
start with introduction to SCM. What is SCM, right?
Okay.
Because you I mean, not in very detail. We are not here to do PhD on SCM. I will,
Okay.
from theoretical perspective, how supply chain, what is supply chain management, that we will discuss over here. Okay, what are the
Mm.
different
Mm.
processes we are going to cover that I have mentioned over here. Okay, and
Okay.
uh, as a question, if I have to ask you, what will be the first step for to start the supply chain?
Um, Demand.
Correct. We need demand, right? We will not manufacture anything as per our wish. Correct. Blindly, we will not manufacture anything. Correct.
Yeah.
Let's
Mm.
say a BMW. BMW is a manufacturing car, bike, motorcycle manufacturing company, right? So they,
Yeah.
they will not manufacture anything as their wish. Correct. So based on
Yes.
generally what will be the input demand as demand for our supply chain, and what type of demand? So it will be forecast, correct? And
Mm.
how we will
Okay.
get forecast? What is forecast? Forecast means future prediction we are doing here, right? What will
Yeah.
what will be the future demand? Okay, so that
Okay.
is
Mm.
the forecast. And in demand, when I say demand, it is the forecast. Okay, we have other type of demand also which we will learn. And how we
Okay.
will calculate forecast? What will be the input for forecasting? Our previous sales data, right?
Okay.
If you have heard about that, okay, last year BMW did this much of sales. Tata
Mm.
Tata Motors did this much of sales, right? So that is
Yeah.
the input. Based on that previous sales data, previous sales history, we will predict what will happen in future, right? So
Okay.
that logic we will apply in SAP. Okay.
Mm.
So
Mm.
first demand we need. Based on demand, actually sales it should come here. Then procurement, manufacturing, sales, distribution, and transportation. Okay, this will be the sequence.
Okay.
So here we will learn about this thing. Then we will discuss about SAP. What is SAP? Then
Mm.
how to work on SAP, what are the different options we have SAP, how every module is linked in SAP. Okay, because in this software, if you know, we have more than 120 plus modules.
Okay.
Modules means 120 different type of business processes we can execute, we can process in SAP, like your sales
Mm-hmm.
activity, your purchasing activity, your demand calculation, your procurement activity, right? Production activity, even
Yeah.
HR, human resource, uh,
Yeah.
that also we can perform in SAP. So these all activities we will perform. So we our learning will be limited to SCM. Okay, we are
Mm.
not here
Okay.
to do. We are not here to learn everything about production, right? That is in a
Mm.
separate module, production planning. So from
Okay.
SCM perspective, we have to learn the full flow, and to learn that full flow of SAP of supply chain management, we need to touch each module. Okay, it means
Okay.
that we will start from demand. So how we will calculate demand with the help of demand planning. Okay, how we will do
Okay.
procurement
Mm.
planning. So for procurement planning, we have two options. One we will do with the help of supply inter planning, and another with the help of SAP MM. Have you heard about SAP MM?
SAP?
MM, material management.
Yeah, I heard, but I haven't
Hmm.
learned.
Okay, so SAP MM with the help of, so two options we have. We can do with the help of SNP or SAP MM. Okay, then manufacturing. Manufacturing means production, right? So that
Yeah.
we will learn with the help of SAP PP, production planning. Then sales, SDA, sales and distribution, we will do with the help of SD module. Then comes your transportation. So we have a module in SNP, a function called as TLB, where we will learn about the means of transport, the transportation cost, then how much time it will take to transport the goods from source to destination. Okay, with the capacity,
Okay.
how the capacity in shipping industry, shipping means, if I'm not wrong, shipping means that uh, ships, right, to transport the goods
Yeah, yeah.
from one place
Vessel.
to another.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Vessel planning, vessel
Vessel,
coordination.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Okay. So, in shipping also you might have heard, right? There is a capacity for one
Yes.
ship, correct? We cannot
Yeah.
overload the ship, right? Otherwise it will sink,
Yes.
correct? So
Correct.
similarly, in
Yeah.
case of transportation also, we can have multiple means of transport, right? We can have truck, we can have rail, we can have aeroplane, correct? So
Yeah.
always there will be a limit, correct? Lower limit and upper limit,
Mm.
which we have to maintain,
Correct.
correct? It's not like that,
Yeah.
okay, if we are using aeroplane, then is it feasible to deliver one pen via aeroplane? Not feasible, right?
One pen. No, no, no. Yeah.
One pen, not feasible, right?
No.
It's see it, you can deliver. It's not like that. You can deliver, but transportation cost will be too much.
Cost will be
So
high. Yeah.
instead of 10 rupees, it will cost around 1 lakh, right? So it
Correct.
depends. It depends on our requirement, okay?
Correct.
And that's why we maintain this all those things here in our transportation, okay?
Yeah.
So that
Okay.
we will discuss. Then business two times. Okay, business process overview we will see. Okay, we will take example of any company, and then we will see how the supply chain works. Okay,
Okay.
then after introduction to SCM, then we will discuss about SAP. What is SAP? As I told you, different modules we have in SAP, how it is integrated. So this will take
Okay.
around. So all this will take around 6 to 8 hours. Okay.
Okay.
Then we will discuss about this data modeling. In data modeling, we have master data, transactional data, this database. Okay, two type of database we will have in your phone. you- when you use your phone, we have two type of database, right?
Okay.
Can you name? Can you name it?
Data.
Two type of database we have in our laptop. We have in our phone, right? One is your hard disk, right? ROM, and
Okay.
another is your RAM, correct?
Okay. Yeah.
ROM and RAM, right? Why we
Mm.
use ROM?
Mm.
To store the data, correct? And why we use
Okay.
RAM? To process the data quickly, faster, right?
Okay.
More RAM you will have, the data will process quicker, correct? If RAM
Yeah.
is 2 GB and if RAM is 12 GB, which phone will process faster? RAM with 12 GB, right?
Okay.
So the same functions we have in our SAP as well. Okay, so two type of database we have that we will discuss.
Mm,
Then
mm,
master data and transactional data. Okay, so on high level, what is this master data, transactional data? Uh, to run any business, we need some fundamental data, right? Like our product
mm.
name, our location name, our company name, our customer name, our manufacturing plant name, distribution center name. So these are fundamental data, right? If you don't know the name of your product, if you don't know the name of the company, will you able to do any business process? Will you able to execute any business process?
No,
No, right? So these are the
no.
fundamental data, right? So
Mm-mm.
that is called as master data. Okay.
Okay.
And can we change our company name or product name or plant name every week or every month?
No.
Why not?
Company name every week changing.
We should not change, right?
Yeah.
So that's why what I mean, what you understand by it. So master data doesn't change frequently, right?
Yes.
It is a
Okay.
long period. Okay.
Okay.
Your product name iPhone 17. iPhone 17 will not become iPhone 17 X or Y something, right? iPhone 17 will
Yeah.
remain iPhone 17 only. If you want to
Yes.
introduce a new variant, that is another product, correct?
Correct. Yeah.
Okay. So that is master data. What is transactional
Mm,
data? So based on with the help of master data, we will
mm,
process, we will perform the business operations, right? Let's say you want to
yeah.
perform purchasing.
Okay.
So you want to buy iPhone 17. iPhone 17 you
Okay.
want to buy. So when you
Mm,
will buy iPhone 17, they will give you a bill, right? They will give you
mm.
an invoice.
Yes. Yes.
Today, let's say you bought an iPhone 17 of 1 lakh rupees. Okay. Tomorrow
Mm,
again same product iPhone 17, price is 99,000.
mm,
Now here in both cases you
mm.
will have two different bills, right? Two different orders, right?
Yes.
Or the bill number will remain same.
Bill number will be different, no?
Bill number will be different, right? Because today you have purchased, for that there will be different bill number, correct? And tomorrow if you purchase the same product, then bill number will be
Yeah.
different, right?
Yes. Correct.
So here product, same product we have bought, right? So that's why
Mm.
product is master data here. Product will not change, but what will change? The bill number, right? The
Okay.
document,
Yeah.
purchasing document, right? The invoice, the
Yeah.
order copy, order invoice copy, right? Invoice document.
Yes.
That is transactional
Yeah.
data. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Later we will discuss all these things high level. I'm just since we are discussing this course content, that's why quickly I'm giving a high level idea. Okay.
Okay.
So that we will
Okay.
discuss over here. Different type of master data and
Okay.
transactional data which we will use in our SCM. Okay.
Okay.
Then model planning version. So model is to store master data, planning version is to store transactional data. Okay. Then
Okay.
from here we will start our proper supply chain management activities. Okay. First is, as I told, demand, right? We need demand
Mm,
to start our supply chain.
mm.
So to learn demand planning, we need to learn so many things here. Okay.
Okay.
Because you want to make your career in, as I can say in IT, right? As a SAP consultant, correct? So you
No.
should
Supply
know,
chain process. Supply chain, not IT.
means SAP SCM, in SAP SCM, right? So we have two
Yeah.
options here. Actually, we have two options that I will tell you. One, product-based company. Okay. Another is your
Okay.
IT-based company. Okay. Two
Okay.
type of companies we have means service-based companies.
Okay.
Service-based companies and product-based company. You know the difference between service-based and product-based, right?
Yeah.
If not, then we will discuss later. Okay.
Yeah. I know. I know the difference.
Okay. So in case of product-based companies, you should have a good knowledge about business. Okay.
Yeah.
Even with
Yeah.
less knowledge, it will work for you. But in case of service-based companies, you should have more technical, means more SAP knowledge compared to business knowledge. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So that is the difference. Okay, so here we will learn in detail about the demand planning, how to how to configure everything in our SAP, from demand planning perspective, and then we will ultimately calculate the forecast, right? Forecast is the main topic here in our demand planning. Then integration. What is integration? We will integrate different SAP system with each other, because in case of SCM, it's not like it's
Okay.
just one module. It's a master module, right? Where we have to
Mm-hmm.
learn so many processes. Okay, and to learn
Yeah.
so many processes, we have multiple modules. Okay, so we have to see how each module is linked to each other. Okay,
Oh,
because here
okay.
if I calculate demand in demand planning, so demand
Mm.
planning is used to calculate the forecast demand. Okay, what should be the next step?
Okay.
To production, right?
Okay.
To
Yeah.
procure or produce, right? Either we
Yeah.
can procure or we can produce. These two options we have. So if you want to
Okay.
procure the goods, then next step will be here in procurement. Okay, that we will
Mm.
learn with the help of If you want to produce, then we have to learn about this production planning. Okay,
Next. Mm.
good. So that integration we will learn over here, and not just integration. We have so many things to learn. Then we will start.
Okay.
Okay, so here I have just given you an idea about master data and transactional data. In detail, we will learn over here. We will create in system all master data and transactional data. Okay,
Mm.
from a SAM perspective, these are the important master data and transactional data. Okay, then
Okay.
we will start supply chain planning. So supply chain planning means rough cut planning. What quantity
Mm.
you have to procure or what quantity you have to manufacture. A high level idea we will have here. Okay, in SNP.
Okay.
If you want to
Mm.
procure, it will create your procurement document, right? How much quantity you want to
Mm.
procure from your seller, correct?
Yes.
So once this creates the document, high level document, next step, as I told you here, we have to learn the detail about this procurement planning. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
In case if you want to produce, so it will SNP will give you a high level idea about how much quantity you have to produce. Okay.
Mm. Mm. Mm.
So once this gives you detail, it will also give you detail about your resource machine. Okay, machine means,
Mm.
see, every machine has its capacity, right? You cannot
Yeah.
overload a machine. You cannot ask a machine to manufacture n number of you should manufacture as per my wish, right?
Yeah.
Every machine, let's say one machine has a capacity of 5 cars per day.
Mm.
To manufacture 50 cars, how many days it will take? 10 days, right?
Yeah.
Per day, if it is manufacturing 5 cars, so 10 days it will
Yeah.
take to manufacture 50 cars, right? We cannot
Yes. Yeah.
overload our machine and ask machine to manufacture 50 cars in one day. It is not possible,
Yeah.
right? So
Yeah.
that also
True.
we will see over here. Okay, in supply chain planning.
Mm.
So in case if you want to manufacture, then it will give you the plan how to manufacture it. Okay, on which machine. After
Mm.
that, then we will go here in production planning. Then we will produce the goods. Once the goods are produced, once the product is produced, manufactured, then what will be the next step? You stop.
Transportation.
No, no, not. I mean, don't jump directly to transportation first. It will increase your stock, right? Your
Mm.
stock will increase, correct? We will keep those stock
Warehouse.
in warehouse, correct? So
Yeah.
from warehouse, when customer comes, then we will sell, right? Or it depends on
Yeah.
the customer requirement. We can have multiple customer, multiple distribution center who will request to purchase those goods, right? So when they will
Yes.
come, we will distribute, okay? To this
Okay.
customer, I will give this much quantity. To this customer, we will give this much quantity. Uh, in case if you have less stock and more demand,
Mm.
so you have to
Mm.
prefer you have to
Production.
no, not production. In case let's say we have two customer, okay. First
Mm.
customer is requesting 10 pieces, another customer is requesting 10 pieces. But in our stock,
Mm.
we currently have 10 pieces only. What is the total
Mm.
demand? 20 pieces, right? Two
20.
customer
Yeah.
and 10 pieces. But in stock, we have 10 pieces only. So what we will do?
Okay.
So we have multiple options. Okay.
Mm.
First option is proportionally we will divide, right? Five pieces to
Okay.
each customer. Another way is that okay, customer one is my favorite. We will first deliver to customer one. Okay, and we will ask
Yeah.
customer two to wait for some time, right?
Yeah.
These are the different logics. Okay, so that we will learn over here in distribution. Okay. Then next is
Okay.
your transportation planning. In transportation planning, as I told you, we have to select which means of transport we will use, how much time it will take, what will be the cost, okay, capacity, everything. So
Mm.
that we'll learn over here. Okay. Parallelly, I have told you about production planning, procurement planning from sales perspective.
Oh,
Have you heard about Tata Motors?
yes,
Okay. So Tata Motors, do they manufacture tires as well?
I don't know.
No. So Tata Motors, they don't manufacture tire. Okay.
Okay.
They
Mm.
manufacture all its components, car components, but they procure tires. Okay, from CI, or from MRF, right? You might have heard
Okay.
about these companies, MRF, Apollo, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So these uh, these companies. Okay. You said that
Okay.
you are not aware of Tata Motors. I mean, since childhood you are there in Qatar, or I mean, you shifted sometimes back.
No, I'm not like I'm not interested in these cars, and also I don't. I mean, I heard the company name, but they
Uh,
manufacture what and all, I have no idea.
Mhm. Okay, okay. No problem. So these companies, these Tata Motors, they don't
Mm.
manufacture tires. Okay, they procure tires from
Okay.
MRF. MRF, you must have heard. MRF
Yeah.
or Apollo tires. So from these companies, they are tire manufacturing companies. Okay. So they
Mm.
used to manufacture tires for bikes, cars. So Tata Motors, they procure. So
Mm.
who is the customer here and who is the seller?
Sorry.
Em- So if Tata Motors
Mm.
is procuring or purchasing the goods from
Tata
MRF,
Motor will be the customer, and
Tata Motors is
MRF
the
will be the
customer.
seller.
MRF will be
Mm.
the seller. Okay. So
Yeah.
from procurement wise, we will be the customer. Okay. So here we
Mm.
will discuss how the activities will happen from Tata Motors perspective. Okay.
Okay. Mm.
If Tata Motor is the customer, they have to perform a
Mm.
number of steps, right?
Okay.
So all those we will learn over here in procurement.
Mm. Okay.
Similarly, MRF is the seller. So we will see from seller's perspective what all actions they have to take, okay, in this sales
Mm.
process. Got it?
Yeah. Yeah.
So with this, we have covered everything, right? From supply chain perspective, right?
Okay.
Then,
Yeah.
in the end of this course, we will discuss here. Let me add it. Otherwise, I will forget. Support process. Then here we have to discuss about this interview questions, issues. Okay. Because when you will sit in interview, they will not
Mm.
ask you what is SAP. Okay.
Yeah.
They will ask about experience, what you have worked on SAP, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so all those things we will learn how to work in implementation project or rollout projects, how to work in case of AMS project, and in interview, what type of questions or issues they will ask. Okay, that we will discuss. So that is at the end of our training, we will discuss about all these things. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the course content. Okay.
Mm.
And to cover all this, here if you see, these are the PPTs. Okay. So based on my learnings, whatever I have learned in past 7 years, okay, I have
Okay.
prepared these PPTs. Okay, from here to here,
Mm.
six.
Mm.
Okay. Along with that,
Okay.
at the end of this course, I will share you these six documents plus I will share your resume. So based on that, you can prepare your resume. It will help
Okay.
you. Let me open it. Okay, here you can see this is the resume. So this professional summary you can update based on your experience, right? You have experience in shipping, correct?
Yeah.
Whatever you did, you have learned over there. So based on that, you can apply, update. Next, project
Mm.
experience. So you have worked on projects, right?
Okay.
Projects means about for your company only. Okay.
Mm.
What is the name of your company? So that you have to update over here. Okay. For what
Yeah.
period and all those things you have to update. Okay. What you did. What was your role in that project? Okay.
Okay. Mm.
This technical skills, after completion of this course, you will learn everything about it. Okay. So don't
Okay.
change anything over here. You will
Okay.
get familiar to each of these topics. Okay. Apart from
Okay.
that, if you know anything extra, you can add it over here. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then education, certification, training, personal details, that it's up to you. You have to update. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So these are the details,
Mm.
not details. Sorry, this resume I will share with you. Then interview questions and issues. These are the questions they will ask you. Okay. And for you,
Yeah.
100% they will ask you why you have taken a career gap. Okay. There is a career gap, right?
Yeah.
Many companies um, in India, I'm aware, many companies like this uh, Tech Mahindra or Wipro or Infosys, they hire people.
Mm.
They hire especially women. Okay, for women, they have openings like who have a career break at least for 6 months. Okay, if you have a career
Why?
career break, then of at least 6 months, then there is a separate openings for those people. Okay, for those women,
Mm.
uh,
Okay.
they will, and this is the criteria. At least 6 months of career gap should be there. Okay, because of
Mm-hmm.
family reason or something. Uh,
Mm.
so for that position, you can apply. In India, I'm not aware about of Qatar. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so these questions they will ask you why there is a career gap and all these questions. So that we will discuss later. Okay, why you want to
Okay.
switch and all those things. Okay, then in case
Okay.
of demand planning, these questions they will ask you for integration. These questions for his supply and planning. PPDS is not related to you, so that I mean we will not discuss. We have MMPPST that we will discuss. Okay, I will update this one.
Okay.
Okay, this document I will share. Then I will share this T codes and tables. What is T code tables? You will get to know. And this
Mm.
one also I will share. Okay, where you can apply. So this is the list of SAP companies. Okay, it was shared by one of my friend. Okay, she shared it with me. Here you can see top 50 product based companies and top 50 service based companies. Directly you can click on this one, go there and apply on their career portal. Okay, if there is opening for SAP SCM. Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
This will help you to save your time. Otherwise, it's to you. If you have any other sources or if you have any references, then you can ask them to refer your profile. Okay.
Okay.
So these documents I will share with you next. Okay. Currently, I am taking this one batch. So here, if you see, this is my way of teaching. Okay.
Okay. Mm.
First, I will explain everything on Excel. Okay.
Okay. Mm.
All concepts we will discuss over on Excel. Then let me open that PPT. Let's say this document. Okay, PPT one overview. Here we will discuss overview. So first I will explain over Excel. Whatever
Mm.
the concept we will discuss over Excel, and then I will discuss this theoretical part. Okay.
Okay.
After theoretical part, then we will do hands-on in system. Okay.
Okay.
Did they share SAP credentials with you?
Not yet.
Okay, so you can ask them to share this SAP, the SAP credentials. Okay.
Okay.
Let me note it down so you can also note it. We need SAP SCM APO. Okay. And we
Okay.
need another system, SAP ECC or S4 HANA. Okay.
Okay.
Any one of them. Got it?
Okay.
Either SAP ECC or S4 HANA. Anyone.
Okay.
And another one SAP SCM APO. These, so two system we need. Okay. To cover our SAP SCM course.
Mm.
Now, course content we discuss. We have discussed about this Excel, PPT, and documents I have already showed you. Next. One more thing. So you are new to SAP.
Ye-
So before joining, uh, have you took any demo or did you attend any demo anywhere or just you
No,
directly enrolled for the course?
directly. I
Why?
haven't done about.
Hmm? No, no, you. I mean, since you are paying a good, I think they have charged you a good amount, right? So
Yes,
that's why it's always good to take the demo, right?
I don't know they provide any demo or not. They
No,
didn't
not with
discuss it.
this institute. Have you tried with any other institutes?
No,
Okay, uh, no problem. So here, uh, let me just tell you about this thing. Okay,
okay.
so in our SAP we have two type of modules. Okay, two type of all. So in our SAP we have more than 120 plus modules. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so SAP SCM is one of its module. Okay, so we generally categorize here general skills and niche skills. Okay,
Okay.
general skills means not this one. Wait, sorry. Uh, mm, yeah, here if you see, we categorize SAP into two type of modules. One is general module, one is niche module. Okay, what is
Mm.
general module means those type of modules where you will find too much crowd. Okay, or means demand is less, supply is more. It
Okay.
means that let's say there is ten openings in a
Mm.
company and
Mm.
1,000 people are there to apply. So which type of module
Okay.
it is? It is general module, right? Means so many people are there, enough supply, correct?
Okay.
What about niche skills means you will not find too many consultants.
Mm.
Okay, too many people who have these skills. Example are these modules. So here if there
Okay.
are 10 openings, then there might be chances only 200 people will apply. Okay, so this is the difference. And SCM, why it comes under niche module? Because see, SCM is master module. Okay, it is not just one module. It is a combination of multiple sub modules. Okay, these all modules. If you want to learn then in you have to learn about this procurement only. If you want to learn about PP, production planning, then there you have to learn about manufacturing. Okay, production planning only. In production planning, we will not learn about selling or transportation, correct? In case of demand management, if you just want to learn demand management, then there we will learn about this forecasting, all those things. Okay, but in case of SCM, we have to learn everything, all these things. Got it? So this is how we will learn. See, in our SAP SCM, these many topics, these many modules we need to cover, and these topics we will learn. Okay, DP we will learn in demand management. We will learn with the help of DP planning, SNP, deployment, transportation with the help of SNP. Then procurement, sales activity we will learn with the help of SD. Product manufacturing we will learn with the help of PP. All these things. Okay, these things I will discuss one by one.
Okay.
So these two type of general and niche modules we have. Okay. So I mean, you already made up your mind that I want to make a career in SCM, right? Supply chain management. That's why you have enrolled
Yes.
for this course. And you
Correct.
don't want to learn anything else. No, I don't want to learn sales or production or just procurement. You want to learn SCM, correct? So
Yes.
good. Okay. So this course we will cover. Okay. And about the timing, what timing they have told you? Uh,
Oh, Monday to Friday. Same.
Monday to Friday, 7 p.m.
Yeah.
Yeah, Monday to
IST
Friday.
7 p.m.
Yeah, IST. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm. Actually, what is happening here? See, Monday alternate, I am okay. If you see here I also I have mentioned. So Monday alternate means Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Okay. So
Okay.
sorry, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So
Mm-hmm.
I am available from 7 to 8. It will work for me. Okay, 7 p.m.
Okay.
IST.
Mm-hmm.
Tuesday alternate. Tuesday alternate, actually here they have mentioned I have one call with my client. Okay. Actually, I'm
Okay.
working in European shift. So my timing is
Okay.
from 11 to uh, 7:30, you can say. But on Monday I can manage. I don't have any calls at that time. But uh, on Tuesday I have call from 7:30. Okay. 7:30.
Okay.
7:30. So can we make it like 6:30 to 7:30
Seventh.
on
Yeah,
Tuesday
fine.
alternate?
That's okay. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Anytime before 8 is okay for me.
Come again.
Anytime before 8 o'clock Indian time is
Hmm.
okay.
Okay. Okay. 6:32 to 8. Sorry, 7:30. Okay. Let me think. Yeah. 30. Hmm. Okay. So let me mention it on our group. Okay. Since this is they have already provided the link, so we will connect at this time. Okay.
Okay.
Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. We will connect at 7 to Tuesday and Thursday. 6:30 to okay. I have pinged over group.
Yeah.
Okay, this time. Good.
Same link every day. Same link.
Same link. I think we have to join. Yes.
Okay.
That's good. Actually, they provide one link. Otherwise, uh, there is one institute for which I am taking. They every day they have to they have to log in and they have to start the meeting. Okay, so that is not a very good practice, right?
Okay, fine. That's
We should join and it should start recording. Okay, no need. And I mean, they those that institute they don't have to log in or they don't have to admit us in this meeting, right? We can start our meeting by ourselves.
yeah.
Okay. So any questions? Any doubt? Whatever
No.
questions you have in your mind, whatever you can ask.
Today I have no questions because I'm
So
blank.
questions related to
Maybe
SCM or what will be the industry? These questions generally people used to ask, right? If you have any
actually I
questions, you can ask. Huh?
actually I'm planning to look job in like company procurement side, logistics side,
Mm-hmm.
where many of the professional use SAP, Oracle, or
Mm-hmm.
uh, that kind of
Mm-hmm.
systems which I'm not aware about. So
Mm-hmm.
many job interviews I have attended where they
Mm-hmm.
asked whether you have
Mm-hmm.
SAP experience, where
Mm-hmm.
I couldn't crack the interview
Mm-hmm.
because of this, and that is the reason why I'm
Mm-hmm.
learning this.
Okay, okay. No
Yeah.
problem. Okay. Okay then. I mean, I'm almost clear what is your requirement, how you want to learn the things. Okay.
Okay.
Mm,
Yeah.
Anything else? Let me just quickly see. And what time period they have mentioned? In how many hours we have to complete
It
this
is
course? Did they mention
30,
anything?
yeah, 30 hours.
No, no, no. It will take more than 30 hours. How they have said 30 hours?
How many hours as per your
It will take
experience?
around 40 hours. Okay.
Really,
You
they
are
said
fresher,
30.
right? Huh?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You are a fresher, right? You are not experienced on that. Whatever I will say, will you will grasp it, right?
Yes.
If I explain anything, it will take time for you to understand the things, right? 30 hours,
Okay,
even experienced one will not understand SAP SCM in 30 hours. Okay, let it be. I mean, that is not your concern. Your focus should be on completion of course, right? And about learning and to do hands-on. You should focus on those
yes,
things.
yes,
Okay.
yes, yes.
Okay then. So
Okay,
let's then tomorrow is Tuesday, right? So Tuesday we can
yeah,
connect at 6:30. Okay. So from tomorrow we
6:30.
will start.
Okay,
Since I have
okay,
just given you the overview about the course contents, from tomorrow we will
yeah,
start. We will discuss about little SAP, what is this SCM process, all these things we have discussed. Okay. We will discuss.
yeah, okay,
Okay then. Yeah.
yeah,
Okay, Shruti. Let's conclude the call and tomorrow we will connect at 6:30. Okay.
sure, sure. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you.